opening up your own house on rent is kind of difficult. This was one of the most favorite corners that we had, full of bar. This was a dining table we got from an international furniture expo. Inverter, new AC, all the electronics are 3 years old. These are all the plants that Choco planted. And we'll go to the balcony in a while. These are bar chairs, bar top, modular kitchen. Microwave, and these are lamps we specifically got from Assam. Beautiful view of the trees. These trees turn red in spring. Faber hob and chimney, and these are soft touch. Mixie. Places that we have been fortunate enough to travel. 2-window fridge, 2-door fridge. We'll come to that in a while. You're certainly not getting my doggo. We are gonna take our doggo home. This is Mummy trying to hide away from the video recording. And these plants, as you can see, has automatic watering system. And all these plants need not be watered very frequently. We also have a cute mini orange tree that gives mini oranges. They're just for sure, you cannot eat them. So coming back to the house, this is the main area, and these are electrical recliners, which means you just have to press a button to recline on them. And this is a place where you can probably keep a bookshelf. These are some extra beds. And this is the beauty. This is a TV so big that you can actually hug it. And this is how it looks. This is a guest washroom. Is the bedroom. You get a carpet, a full length mirror, this dressing table with a lot of drawers, a super king size bed, side tables, and a table for as your workstation, and even a chair to work in. And this has this view of a beautiful balcony with a lot of plants. And the curtains here are pure linen or cotton mixed linen, which gives it a very aesthetic look. And this is the area where you can store your clothes. So there are almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sort of vertical compartments. And this is the bathroom. Oh, cool. So the bathroom comes with its fan, exhaust, These are some extra beds. One more TV. The same balcony extending between both the rooms. And this is the bed, paintings, very beautiful side tables. This is how the room looks. Here, towards the side, there are two full-length wardrobes for storage, and inside there is a beautiful bathroom again. So this is how the bathroom looks. There is geyser in all the washrooms and also one geyser in the kitchen. Back to this main hall, and then now we're entering the third room where Choco is just trying to look busy. This is the sofa cum bed, and there are also two extra single bedded mattresses that one can use. And this is we have been using it as a music/workation room. And this is a more elaborate work desk with a lot of drawers, etc. And music room. See, this is the bathroom. There are cupboards, two cupboards, one on each side here and a similar one here. These are full-length cupboards for keeping anything, and this is the washroom. The theme of this washroom is grey. This washroom actually has hardly been used by us because we're just two people staying in the house. So it's pretty fresh. Back balcony. It has a lot of sunlight, and this is some extended area where you can dry your clothes or keep your plants. And this is our Samsung AI bubble technology washing machine. It has a lot of modes and it's pretty new. Yeah, this is about it. And this balcony sort of joins back to this room also. And here is Heritage School, so it's a good location.